Welcome back, everybody. Average Model Guy here, bringing you episode 1 of our Polar Lights 1/25th scale 1969 Dodge Charger funny car. As you can see, we're going to be assembling the engine today. Instructions are pretty simple. Nothing too overly exciting. So what I'm going to do is I've got everything nice and cut out and snipped and ready for assembly, and when I come back it'll be all put together. I'll review if there's anything that was kind of quirky or anything that was kind of difficult to put together. Yeah, so I will be back in a minute. All right, we got our engine put together and painted up, as you can see. Looking pretty good. Now this came with this little rubber piece to make a belt. Unfortunately, you can see, if I can get it to focus in, it snapped on me trying to stretch it around what it needed to stretch around, so I got creative. I had some washi tape lying around, so I went ahead and put that on there, and looks like I need to touch up a little spot there on the black. Anyways, painted a nice black, make it look like a belt. It worked out really good. See, got everything on here. I'm really thinking about painting the transmission the same color blue down here. Kind of thinking it's looking a little too silver. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, engine went together just like a typical engine. It's pretty easy. No major issues with putting any parts on or anything like that. So just went ahead and got her together, got her all painted up. So, all right, I think we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, here's our next step. We're gonna be assembling the frame next. Lots of parts for this one. So I'm gonna get everything snipped up, and yeah, I'll be right back with the parts in pieces. All right, I'm not sure what I got myself into here, but here is our next step here. This is the frame rail or the funny car. Got everything cut out and ready to assemble. As you can see, there's tons of small parts. I mean, these are pretty tiny compared to, I mean, that's the size of my hand. They're tiny. This is going to be interesting to put together. So yeah, we'll get her together, and when it's all said and done, I'll hop back on and I'll show you the completed frame wheel. All right, see ya in a few. All right, I think we're gonna call it good for this episode. Got most of the frame rail built. Just kind of sat the engine down inside there. Just kind of see how it's gonna look. Yeah, this is what we've gotten so far for our funny car. Frame rail was kind of a pain to put together. Those pieces being that small, trying to get those to stay glued in there was kind of a pain, but we got it in there. Yeah, other than that, there wasn't anything really crazy about putting it together. The instructions aren't very clear on what pieces go where, so you really have to kind of look at the next step, or even the next step after that, to kind of see where the stuff was supposed to go. Yeah, other than that, not too bad so far. Gotta get that engine in there better than that, but it's not ready to go in anyways. But yeah, I forgot to put the distributor on the engine last time, but got it on there. I went ahead and touched up that spot over there. Yeah, looking good. I'm impressed with it so far. Don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you want to continue to see this build, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thanks. Bye.